It is a diverse degree. So you are actually learning how to work with individuals, groups, communities, policies, procedures. So you might find yourself working in a non-for-profit organization. You might find yourself being a lobbyist, working for a politician. No matter what you're doing, you're actually learning about how to elevate voices for those who are marginalized or otherwise can't speak for themselves. Or you might be working with trying to change policies that are impacting society in a negative way.
My professor always gave us very good examples, and we would even practice in class with other classmates. So we would switch roles as provider or client, which really showed me kind of how to use my different language for different scenarios, how to understand different experiences, and get real life practice right there in the classroom.
When I lived in Japan, I did all of my courses online because Columbia College is so military friendly. It made it a lot easier.
They are very good with students. They are one-on-one with the students. They will help you until the end. How about that?